Spring is here. Let's get your home in tip-top shape with a few simple maintenance tips. Replace your HVAC filter to improve air quality and efficiency. We recommend changing it every 1 to 3 months. Check for leaks. Take a look under sinks and around toilets. Early detection of leaks prevents water damage and costly repairs. Clean your dryer vent. Clogged vents increase drying time and can pose a fire risk. Make sure the vent is clear and the lint trap is emptied regularly. Clear leaves and debris from your porch, driveway, and gutters to keep your home looking great and prevent damage. Check your window seals. Ensure there are no gaps letting in cold air. This can save on energy costs and keep your home more comfortable. Report any issues early. If you notice something that needs fixing, let us know right away so we can take care of it before it becomes a bigger problem. Thank you for watching.